Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I have a big unboxing. I have had this parcel sitting here at home for weeks, and this is what I received as part of the Pocket Advent Exchange 2021, organised by Michelle at the Stamp Spot. It all starts tomorrow. And I wasn't, oh look, it's been so hard to just not open this and tear it all apart. But I decided today it was time to take it out of the box to get ready for tomorrow. And I thought I might as well take you on this little journey with me. So this giant box contains my swap, and I want to try and open it without destroying all the paper, because I definitely want to use some of this in my December daily or December journal creative thing that I am planning on doing. So we're going to try and not destroy it all, because I absolutely adore these flowers, and of course the gum leaves that will go perfect with my Australiana theme. But oh my gosh, this has been very well wrapped. I don't know if I can do this without tearing it. I might just have to, I think, unfortunately. Don't think I can see any other way. Honestly, I don't believe there's any sticky tape left at my gifter's house. I'm pretty sure she's used every single bit she ever had. Let's see if, oh, here we go. If I can slide it out this way, there we go. And then at least I can save quite a bit of this. Oh, I didn't realise this was going to be quite so difficult. Oh, come on, out you come. Probably should have unwrapped this before I started videoing, but oh well, whatever. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Look at this, just for something different. There's a bit more sticky tape, but that's okay. I have a pair of scissors at hand, so let's have a go at undoing this. Oh my gosh, this is so well wrapped, it's ridiculous. But one would imagine that what's inside is well protected, because it was certainly well wrapped. Oh dear, look, there's a ton more. This is unreal. But that's okay, we'll quickly get through this and see what's inside, ready for tomorrow. It's been pouring here at home. Mind you, I just hope our dams are getting some, because Brisbane is in a bit of trouble at the moment. Our main dam that keeps us all well watered is below 40%, which is not ideal. And there we go. Let's have a look. So we have lots of, oh my gosh, open on arrival. I think I will open that. Oh, hang on. Let's have a little sticky beak and see what's in here. Why don't we? I know she said I had to open it before the due date. Oh my gosh, look at this. There's two beautiful notebooks and a letter, which I will read later. So we've got that. Oh, look at this. There's a little gorgeous little stocking with an N for Nikki on it. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. Look at this bunting. Is this not gorgeous? It's all been sewn. It's fabric. It's not paper. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, wow. Now have a look at this. This is very, very sparkly tulle. It's full of glitter. The camera, oh yes, the camera's catching that. Oh my gosh, and look how much of it I've got. I'll definitely be using this in my journal. And have a look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, this is so beautiful. Have a look at this. So she's jiggled up all the dates. They are not running in order. Oh my gosh. Now, keeping in mind that even though this looks divine, just as it is, there is goodies in behind every pocket. Oh my gosh. I mean, I must admit, I had so much fun making mine, and I have got a video up giving everyone a sneak peek of what I created. Have a look at all these beautiful things. There's just, look, there's little clips poking out, and there's all sorts of prezzies. Oh my gosh. Have a look at this. Oh my God, I have a bonus. Hang on, I've got a bonus one. This is the 26th. It's only supposed to go up until Christmas. Oh dear. But that's okay. Have a look. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Have a look at this. Oh my gosh, this is just absolutely amazing. And a lot of these beautiful cards, and you know, which has been done with scrapbooking paper, will be absolutely perfect for my journal, because I am doing a natural sort of Australiana theme. Some of these things are going to look fabulous in that. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going and going. Have a look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. And these are all smaller ones. Oh my, this is absolutely incredible. So much effort has gone into this. Needless to say, I am very, very excited about this. And so what's going to happen? I will be opening one every day right up through until Christmas and just beyond by the looks of this. Have a look at this. Look at all these things. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I said yes to participating in this. This is just amazing. So there we go, guys. That's the sneak peek. And if you would like to see what's inside all these little parcels, you better pop over and follow me on Instagram at WW Studio, because I will pop up in my stories every day what's inside these gorgeous parcels. So there we go. There's a little sneak peek. I am so excited for tomorrow. I can't wait to see what's in all these things. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you would. Join the family. I do paper crafting and paper planning videos. Lots of exciting things planned for 2022. And until next time, please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.